Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove emoji from a picture with only your photo library. So you just need to open your photo library on your iPhone, and then you just need to find the picture that you're containing emoji on it. So I already have this, and the thing that you have to do is just go click open the photo and take a look on the top side. Here there will be two options, which are the edit and these three small dots. So you just need to go click this edit right away, and then you just need to take a look on this bottom side. On the top right side there will be three options here. So you just need to go click this pen, which is the middle one, and then you just need to take a look on this bottom side and just go click this plus button, and then you just need to go click this add shape. Now you just need to pick what shape that you want to have here. So I would like to have the circle since the emoji is circles, and the next thing you need to do is adjusting the color. So you just need to go click it and click this color picker over here, and then you just need to drag this point into the closest area with the emoji that you want to remove. The next thing you need to do is just go drag the shape into the top side of the emoji to cover it. And after you're done, you just need to go click done, and this picture already got the new version, which is without any emoji on it. So that is the way how to remove emoji only with your photo library. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.